Hello, I am Lindsay Dixon, a senior at Howard University and a Mellon Mays undergraduate fellow. Today we'll be working on a Tableau data visualization on the big 7 character types. Pre-step, upload your data. Search cultural geotagging, big 7 characters. Select the dataset created by Dr. Ramsey. Download the CSV file. Open Tableau Public. Drag and drop. And here is your data. Step 1. Create a bar chart for stories. How many characters are in each story? Drag author from the Dimensions menu to the rows bar. Drag story title from the Dimensions menu and place it to the right of author on the rows menu. Drag cultural geotagging from the measures menu to the middle of the screen. Click the horizontal bars option on the Show Me menu. Drag character from the Dimensions menu to the middle of the screen. Click the color option on the marks card and select the color black for the borders. Drag character type to color, and then title your chart. And here's our first bar chart. Step 2. Create a bar chart. What are the races of the characters in the stories? Drag race from the Dimensions menu to the columns bar. Drag cultural geotagging from the measures menu to the rows bar. Click this button to resort the bar chart by descending order. Title this. And here is our second bar chart. Step 3. Create a stacked bar chart. What is the gender ratio of characters in the stories? Drag character gender from the Dimensions menu to the column bar. Drag cultural geotagging from the measures menu to the rows bar. Click the stacked bar chart from the Show Me menu. Title your chart. And here is our stacked bar chart. Step 4. Create a pie chart. In what manner did characters die in the story? Drag death from the Dimensions menu to the rows bar. Drag cultural geotagging from the measures menu to the columns bar. Click the pie chart in the Show Me menu. Right-click on Null and exclude this option from the pie chart. Title your chart. And here is your pie chart. Next, we will create a dashboard. Use dials to change the size of your dashboard. Select floating And then drag and drop your charts to the dashboard. If you want to make this longer, select this arrow here, go to Fit, add your second chart, play with it until it looks the way you would like for it to look. Continue dragging and dropping your charts. And then add your title to the chart. Go to Text and add your question. Make the text large as it's your title. And here is your completed visualization. And here's your completed visualization in Tableau. The next step is to add color, text, and images to your visualization. To add text, double-click Text and Objects. And what I like to do is have my text ready so I can copy and paste it. Here's my text. Select text. Paste it in. Let me get the size and font you want. If this happens where it comes out blue, just double click it, press OK. This is a bit small, so I'm going to change it. And play with it until it looks the way you want it to look. And to change the color in your charts, go to Color, Edit Colors, pick a theme. Make sure that none of your colors are too similar. Select OK. Do the same thing here and here as well. Go to Colors, Edit Colors. Press OK. Go to Color, Edit Colors. Select Assign Palette. You can manually assign them, but ensure that none of your colors are too similar. Press OK. To change the background of your dashboard, go to Format, Dashboard. And then change your charts to resemble that background. Select this emblem here. Pick the same color. Select this emblem here. Pick the same color. Select this emblem here. Pick the same color. Again. And here is your complete data visualization. Remember to turn on the filter option on each chart so that they interact with one another. Now select this emblem to save it in Tableau. And here's your completed data visualization.